The Patriotic Alliance, the PA, the party led by Gayton McKenzie and his friend Kenny Kunene, is definitely part of the criminal and drug cartels in this country. You know, over time, especially since the 6th of July, 2025, when the KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, held that bombshell press briefing where he exposed the political interference within the South